everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Triple P with me, Surya Sridhar. So guys, I'm in one of the most beautiful destinations in all of Portugal. It was voted as the best European destination in 2014 as well as 2017. It is none other than Porto. And the best part of this trip is that I'm visiting my dad here for 1 week. So let's hand it over to him.
Hey guys, I got a new job. Acting on Triple P for €1 an hour. It's fun. Let's explore Porto together. Wonderful.
Number 1, Ribeira Gaia and the Dom Luiz Bridge. Jump onto the yellow line and get off the stop at Jardim do Moro to get a full panoramic view across the city from the Dom Luiz Bridge. You'll be stunned by the beautiful city before your eyes. There are so many things to see and do. Everything from the bridge jumpers to going on boat cruises, enjoying the music and dance performances, grabbing an aperitif or yummy snack like churros, or maybe even buying some gifts from the line of market stalls. You'll never run out of things to do here. Lastly, don't forget to enjoy the cable car ride down to the Gaia side to explore the best wine tour companies. It is €6 one way and €9 both ways. Number 2, Calum Port Wine Tour. On the Gaia side, you will notice a line of famous Porto wine companies including Graham's, Ferreira, Sandeman, and many more. I decided to check out Calum's wine tour, which included a guided tour to the Calum cellar, which was super interactive and very informational. It was then followed by a tasting of 2 port wines, White and Special Reserve, which could be enjoyed during a special fado concert with a male and female voice, accompanied by the traditional Portuguese guitar as well as the classical one. Somewhere amazing to eat. Are you ready to know what this place is? It's got chandelier.
Really?
It's got beautiful art decorations.
Oh my god, that sounds impressive.
It's got an amazing eagle statue in the front.
Can't believe, amazing.
And it is McDonald's. Yep, exactly. It's McDonald's. Can you believe it? The most beautiful McDonald's in the world right here in Porto. Number 3, the world's most beautiful McDonald's. This McDonald's restaurant was inaugurated in 1995 and was previously the Imperial Cafe, an emblematic historic building from the 30s by the Aliados Avenue. It is not your conventional McDonald's, especially due to its luxurious look as well as the fact that in the McCafe you get a genuine Portuguese coffee with a custard tart called pastel de nata. Very surprising indeed. Let's go explore this beautiful destination, the Crystal Palace Gardens. Let's go. Number 4, the Crystal Palace Garden. More than 150 years old, this place is loved by both tourists and locals. It is a lush place, home to many plant and animal species, including the colorful peacock. If you make your way to the end, you'll find a fun maze that also overlooks the beautiful Ribeira River. Take your time to explore this area, soak up the sun's rays, and when you're tired, head on over to a nearby local coffee shop for a Portuguese pingo and their famous cream-filled pastry. So Dad, how are you feeling?
Wonderful, amazing.
Awesome. So what are we gonna go do now?
Enjoy a coffee, a pingo,
A pingo.
a Portuguese pingo.
Awesome. Number 5, the Carmelite and Carmo Church, as well as the Hidden House. Known as one of the most curious structures in Porto, these two churches stand as two different religious buildings, but actually look like a single architectural structure. Okay guys, we all see the beautiful church, but can you spot the hidden house? Separating them is the world's narrowest house, only 1 meter in width. It only costs a few euros to explore and has 3 stories in total. The interesting story behind this house is that it was formed specially to stop the communication between the nuns of the Carmelite Church and the monks at the Carmo Church. Very interesting indeed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys very soon.